All right, so if you're a content creator and you're only using Grok AI for basic ideas, yeah, you're missing out big time. In this video, I'll show you advanced tips to create faster, better, and more viral content. First, quick idea. Grok can help you with ideas, scripts, trends, and even full content workflows. Start with trends. Ask Grok to find what's currently popular in your niche. Prompt, find trending topics in my niche and suggest viral content ideas. Next, focus on hooks. Your first few seconds matter the most. Prompt, generate high engagement hooks for short form videos in my niche. Don't just ask for ideas, ask for full scripts. Prompt, write a short form video script with intro, value, and call to action. Turn one idea into multiple pieces of content. Prompt, turn this topic into a video, tweet thread, and blog outline. Ask Grok to improve engagement. Prompt, rewrite this script to make it more engaging and attention-grabbing. Create content in batches, instead of one by one. Prompt, generate 10 content ideas and scripts for this week. You can even analyze what's working. Prompt, based on this content performance, suggest improvements. Here's the pro move. Refine everything. Keep improving hooks, scripts, and ideas step by step. So yeah, once you use Grok like this, content creation becomes faster, smarter, and way more consistent. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, more creator tips coming soon.